In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop email duplicates in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you've opened a contact or deal in Pipedrive and noticed the same email appearing twice in the detail view, don't worry. This is a common situation and it's usually not a bug. What's happening behind the scenes is that the original owner of the email likely shared the message with everyone, and at the same time, one or more teammates are also syncing that same thread. When both things occur, Pipedrive can display multiple copies of the conversation in the history for that person or deal. The fastest fix is to align visibility so there's only one copy. Start by checking who else on your team is syncing the thread. If someone else has it shared to all, ask them to change the sharing to private. Once it's set to private, you'll only see your own copy in the detail view, which removes the duplicate and keeps the timeline clean and easy to follow. Now, let's make the change directly in Pipedrive. From the left-hand sidebar, open Sales Inbox. This is where all your synced emails live. Locate the email that appears duplicated in your contacts or deals history and open it. At the top of the message, look for the sharing or visibility control. This might appear as a dropdown or a setting labeled something like Shared With. Change that option from Shared With Everyone to Private. By doing this, you're telling Pipedrive not to expose that thread to the whole team, which stops multiple copies from showing up in the record's timeline. If more than one teammate is syncing the same conversation, take a moment to coordinate so only the appropriate copy remains visible. In many cases, keeping each person's copy private is the simplest path to a single, uncluttered history. The result is a clean detail view where each email appears once, making it much easier to track what happened and when. To prevent this issue in the future, be mindful of sharing settings when syncing emails related to shared contacts or deals. If you're unsure whether others are syncing the same thread, default to private and only broaden visibility when it's necessary for collaboration. This small habit keeps everyone's timelines tidy and avoids confusion, and that's all you need. Check who's syncing the thread and ask for private if needed. Go to Sales Inbox on the left, open the affected email, and switch the share option to private. After that, your contact and deal histories should display just a single, accurate copy of the email